Hi, this is Richard C. I'm a math tutor here at Wyzant, and I'm answering a question submitted by a student. This is an exact value question, meaning that we cannot use our calculator to find the cosine of A given the cosine of 2A. And if we're not allowed to use our calculator, which we could use, then we have to use the half angle formula for the cosine. I'm just going to copy this here in red, and we can use this. So our formula says the cosine of u over 2 is equal to plus or minus the square root of 1 plus the cosine of u all over 2. Okay, so let's go ahead and use this formula. So we'll let u be equal to 2a. Therefore, the cosine of a is going to be plus or minus the square root 1 plus the cosine of u. Cosine of u, we're told, is 2/3 over 2. So the cosine of a is going to be plus or minus the square root. Let's see, this is 5/3 over 2. So square root of 5 over 6. Now we just have to figure out which one it is. Is it the positive square root or the negative square root? So the cosine of 2a, so we know that 2a is here. So that's 2a. So we know that it's somewhere between 2a is somewhere between 360 and 270. And so if we divide by 2, we get a is between 180 and 135. That puts a in the second quadrant. And so the cosine is negative here in this quadrant. So we know then from this work, we know that we're going to take the negative square root of 5 over 6. And so that's it. That's all we have to do. Now, it's possible the student didn't know the half angle formulas, or it's possible maybe that he or she just got a little mixed up with some of the wording here. But it's obviously fairly easy if you know the half angle formulas, which I have to admit I don't have them all memorized. But if you're in honors pre-calc, you're expected to have them memorized. And so I end up having to cheat a little bit and look them up each time. But unfortunately for you, if your teacher requires you to know them, you're going to have to memorize them. There's one for sine, cosine, and tangent. Okay, so that's it for this one. I'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.